How to create frosted glass folder applications on Samsung One UI. Open Galaxy Store. Install Good Lock. Or you can install Fine Lock on Play Store. Open Good Lock. Install Home Up plugin. Run Home Up. Enable Home Up. Enable Home Screen. Folder settings. 3x3 grid. Enable pop-up folder. Select medium size. Enable large folder. Custom size. Large icon size. Create application folder. Press and hold to edit. Move and scale folder. Press and hold to setting. Opacity. Blur effect. Add more applications folder. Setting to custom opacity. Add more widget. Set opacity. Add health widget. Complete. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.